Imagine a world where a simple grocery trip becomes a daunting task, especially for those with dietary restrictions. Well, one couple in Jersey has just revolutionized the shopping experience for gluten-free foodies. Say goodbye to supermarket scavenger hunts. Jess and Tom Hubert, both with celiac disease and gluten-free allergies, have launched TJ's Bacon Browse, a groundbreaking store on Georgetown Road. This is not just any bakery, it's Jersey's inaugural gluten-free haven. The motivation? Frustration. Tom reveals the struggle of navigating supermarkets, where gluten-free items are often scattered, making shopping a time-consuming chore. But here's where it gets personal. As celiac sufferers, they understand the anxiety of finding safe food options, especially when traveling. Did you know that celiac disease affects 1 in 100 people, and that's not counting other gluten-related conditions? This means a significant number of Jersey residents need gluten-free diets. TJ's offers a diverse range of gluten-free delights, from baking essentials to snacks and international treats. Jess and Tom aim to cater to all tastes, inviting customer feedback to ensure a tailored experience. And the cherry on top? Jess shares her baking expertise, offering gluten-free cakes, brookies, and more. With the support of loved ones, they've transformed an idea into a reality in just 2 months. Stay tuned via their website and Instagram for click-and-collect services and the latest gluten-free goodies. Controversial twist: some might argue that specialized stores like TJ's cater to a niche market. But is it a luxury or a necessity for those with dietary restrictions? Share your thoughts below. Are dedicated gluten-free stores a welcome addition or an unnecessary segregation?